on the week of the 25th, September 25th, there's going to be an outline that is released which reflects the consensus of the tax writing committees, Ways and Means and Finance, and the administration. And it starts with the outline that will be released the 25th, and then the tax writing committees are going to take feedback and input, and then they're going to go produce their bills in the weeks ahead. And so this is the beginning of the process.
The president came out and said we wanted to have a 15% corporate rate.
So my view is tax reform needs to be permanent, and so to do that, it has to balance within the budget.
If it works out, great, and if it doesn't work out, great. Hopefully we'll be able to do it anyway as Republicans, okay?
You can't just do what Bush did in 2001 and 2003. You have to overhaul the system itself to put American businesses and the American economy in a much more competitive position.
So it sounds like
in
you're
the 21st
saying
century economy.
if you don't get a broad package, if you do end up with something that's narrower, then that won't be a success for you this year.
Well, it won't get us the kind of growth we think we can get.